So friends, we made it to the volcano, which is just behind my back. It was not possible to come here when it was erupting, but it is possible now, and you can come here if you like as well. There is no hot lava to threaten you. It's 9 o'clock in the evening and we are here behind the volcano. I figured the bubbling sounds or tickling sounds, it was water in my backpack. So there is no reason to be afraid of hot lava sounds. I kind of, sometimes we are afraid of ourselves. And thus in the night here illusions play a role. I know sometimes we are afraid of we make dangerous ourselves, like in our mind. But I couldn't figure out what it was. But I forgot I have water in my backpack, and when I move, it generates this sound. So we are here behind the volcano. Lava pieces were flying right here. You see, this lava was flying from the volcano. This lava piece came flying from the volcano. If I would be standing here, it could kill me when it was erupting. If this thing would land on my hand, especially big as this one. If this thing, hot lava piece, would land on my head or hit me, it wouldn't be fun. You see, it came in the air as like 3 kilos of hot lava was flying from the volcano like this. Boom, hot, 700 degrees hot. Is another lava bomb. You see, it's a real lava bomb that fly at maybe 300 meters from the volcano. Natural bomb. It didn't explode, but it can kill if it lands on your head. There's another one. There's so many lava bombs here. Here is one more. This one was big. Look, this is maybe, I don't know, 3 kilos, 4 kilos. Because it's pretty light comparing to, has gas in it. So it's a lava bomb that was flying from the volcano here all the way. There's one more here, small one. See, this is a minefield, a lava minefield. Luckily they don't explode now, but they were in the air targeting, I don't know whom, the stones, targeting those stones from my side. Wow, we came pretty close to the volcano here behind. Yeah, some people have been walking here. Then there is another lava bomb here. See? This is a small one. Was hot lava like this, chunk of hot lava. See? But now it's turned into rock, of course. There is one more. It's pretty far, you can find them. Here there are more of them because Usually we had winds from the west when the volcano was erupting, and it drew all the lava to the west. Here is one more slice. See, fresh lava. Lava bomb from the mantle. Well, they have an ugly shape, but sometimes those lava bombs are very refined in shape. Here are many of them. Yeah, we came behind the volcano. This is the place I wanted to get to. Next time I will come from that side perhaps, because it was not possible to come here when the volcano was erupting. There are really many lava pieces that were flying from the volcano here. You see, just like pancakes, you know, lava pancakes, black ones, uneatable of course, but maybe there are some creatures that eat this. Wow, it's already past 9:30. I don't think I walk any further. So we are behind that volcano here, Iceland, or dormant, let's say dormant, because if it erupts again, we will be gravely wrong. So, yeah, it's pretty shell. You see, I broke it and crushed it. Very sharp, very thin and sharp, you see, very ugly. Breaks very easily, but not always. Sometimes they are thick and big pieces, depends. But once I cut my fingers, they have some sharp endings, and my hand was bleeding. It was last year when I touched it. So it can be dangerous to take it in hand sometimes. Anyway, all the best to you.